Hey guys, today we have the Lasfit LA Air H7. These H7 bulbs will be getting installed on my Volkswagen Jetta. These will replace the high beams and low beams on my Volkswagen Jetta. Taking a look at the packaging here, we can see their contact information in the bottom left and their social medias in the bottom right, as in Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. They actually have their own video out there on YouTube on how to install bulbs on a Volkswagen Jetta. I'll be taking you on an in-depth view, replacing low beams and high beams. What's inside of the packaging? I actually got two of them, one for my low beams, one for my high beams. But when you purchase them online, you only get one pair. So yeah, let's take a look inside. So right away, you're met with a pair of gloves. I'd recommend you put those on if you're about to handle the bulbs. You don't want to get any of the oils that are on your hands onto the bulbs. That reduces the life of the bulbs and, you'd have to buy more. Here's the manual. You can check this out on a step-by-step guide on how to install the bulbs. You can also check out Lasfit's YouTube channel for a video on how to install them on a Volkswagen Jetta. Although I believe they only take care of the low beams, so if you're here for high beams, I'd definitely stay here. And taking a look at these bulbs, they actually look really high quality, full metal, whereas the OEM halogen bulbs are plastic and glass. So yeah, these definitely look a bit more durable. These bulbs are 7,000 lumens in total, so both of them together are 7,000 lumens. Each bulb will be making around 3,500 lumens. 12 to 16 volts is what these consume, and they come with a 1-year warranty. So, not bad at all. So let's install these. It's right here. I'm parked in the middle of the road at midnight to show you how the before and after is. So here's the before of the low beams. They're really like sharp and pointy, they're not smooth, really even far up in the road. Here's the high beams. They're just spotlights straight ahead. And something to show you. It actually throws up a light ever since I installed the aftermarket low beams. Even the $50 ones, I guess, throw up a light. So let's see if the brand new ones throw up a light. Installing the lights on today. So we're looking at the passenger side right now. Right here you can see this is the dust cover for the high beams, and then low beams are back here. So let's start with the high beams since they're right up front and pretty easy. So you're gonna wanna pop off this dust cover. Just set it aside. We're gonna be reinstalling this exact one later. So you can see the bulb in there. There's like a little handle right here. So grab this and twist it clockwise. I mean, anti-clockwise, sorry. It's gonna do like less than half a turn, and then you're gonna be able to pull it right out. So here's the bulb. So you're just gonna wanna pull this off. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. So let me set you guys down. All right, so just pulled it off. There's gonna be this little bracket on here. So let's grab the new lights. So here's the new light. I already installed the other side. So here's the new lights that we'll be installing. So we can just install it right in here. You're gonna want this arrow, you can see that, to line up with this long side. So it's gonna fit onto here like this. Just like that. All right, so let's go ahead and install it now. All right, so to install it, same procedure, put it in. It's gonna go in at an angle just like that, and then you're gonna want to twist it so it's horizontal. There we go. So that's in now. We're gonna wanna just put this dust cover back on. I believe the polarity of this light doesn't matter, so there's no way that it wouldn't turn on. You're just gonna wanna pop the dust cover back on. Just like this. And there you go. You got your new lights in there. Let's go test these out. Let's test them out actually after we install the low beams. All right, and then the low beams, pretty easy. Pretty much the same exact thing. So low beams are actually back here. I don't know if you see this, but you can just twist this. And this is the dust cover. Normally on the low beams, it was just like a rubber boot, but on this, it's an actual cap that you just do one half of a turn and it pops off. And then bulbs in there, twist it off, pops right out. So there's a bulb. Bracket needs to be put back into place, but just pull the bulb off, keep the bracket on there, switch it over in the new bulb. Polarity doesn't matter. Put it back in, twist it counterclockwise, and bam. So yeah, once you put it in, make sure you put that dust cover back on, and then let's go test out the lights. So here's an after. Here's low beams, here's high beams. Low beams are pretty much the same. I think they're more smoother, and they I guess they kind of go out a bit farther. High beams are a total different story. Lights up all the trees around as well. See that? And yeah, it's very nice. It actually goes pretty high up into the trees as well. So I definitely recommend Lasfit H7 bulbs.